Good morning, buenos dias. This is the Module 4 explanation video. So, welcome to Module 4. Today, Wednesday, June 27th at 11:59 p.m., you have two things due. You have the Composition 2 rough draft, and you have the oral presentation 2 due on VoiceThread. Okay. Now, Sunday, July 1st, you'll have to comment on another person's oral presentation, and you'll have to complete the VHL activities by tonight as well as by Sunday night. Okay. Next week, we have our final oral exam. We're going to be doing our oral exams on July 2nd. Okay, here's the calendar. We're going to be doing them on July 2nd, 3rd, and not on the 4th, but we can have some on the 5th. So 2nd, 3rd, and 5th is when we will have our final oral exams online with Professor Waits. I'm going to discuss in a moment how you can set that up, and by next Thursday you have to turn in your final draft. Okay? So, for composition number 2, it's exactly like the last one. You need to go to Module 4, Compositions, and you click on your rough draft composition 2. Now remember, it has to be 200 words. If you want an A, you can go over that. It needs to be turned in the D2L quizzes section. So it is a quiz. It's been open since Sunday. Many of you have already done it, and it's due tonight at midnight. Remember, you have 1.5 hours to complete using rough draft. Complete the rough draft using a textbook. You cannot use the internet. You cannot use Google Translate or anything. It will be obvious if you use that, so make sure that you just use your own work. Okay, this is 50% of your grade. So you go to quizzes and you'll take that quiz. After I give you back your comments via email, just like the last time, you will get your final draft. You will upload it to assignments here under assignments, composition 2 final draft. So you'll turn that in, okay? Now, going back, you have your oral presentation 2 due today as well. It's the exact same as last time, except for you have a new prompt. One more thing about the composition 2 is that under course home, I have made an announcement with a sample composition 2, okay? En mi tiempo libre me gusta hacer muchas cosas. Por ejemplo, veo películas en el cine y voy a cenar en restaurantes con mis amigos. In my free time, tiempo libre is free time, I like to do many things. For example, I watch, ver, okay, this is an ER verb, so you conjugate it to I. Yo veo películas en el cine. I watch movies at the theater. Y yo voy a cenar en restaurantes con mis amigos. This is an irregular verb, okay? So you're going to be talking about what you do in your free time. This is a great example. Make sure that you're using simple sentences in the present tense and that you follow the prompt. Now your oral presentation number 2 is also due today. Go to presentaciones, okay? And remember, it needs to have 5 PowerPoint slides. It needs to be in Spanish. It needs to last 2 minutes, okay? And you're going to be describing your daily routine, what you do every day, okay? What time you go to work, what classes you have, where you eat, what you eat, who you hang out with. And you're using present tense of ER, IR verbs, as well as some stem changing verbs. So make sure that you follow that prompt and that you upload it. The last presentations were excellent. The grades will be up today, so make sure that you do the same thing with this. Do your best, okay? Now, for the final oral exam, which is due next week, I'm going to have you email me 3 times that you are available, and then I will pick one of those times on the dates, and that will be your time with your partner. So I'll be emailing out your partner list, and you will email me as a group when you're available. We'll set that up, and it'll be just like last time. I'll record in Zoom. You'll have time to practice. It's not going to be anything new. It's going to be very similar to the last exam, so no need to worry. You all did well, and those grades will be up online today as well. So if you have any questions about Module 4, please let me know. I am always available, and have a great week. Que tengan muy buena semana. Gracias.